Hey, crafty cuties! How are you guys? I hope you're doing well. I have another junk journal kit to share with you. I showed a smaller fall junk journal kit probably a few videos back, and I mentioned that I had a larger one, and this is the one. So this is actually just one kit. There are two different parts to it. This is available in Madeline Diet Designs on Etsy. Don't forget, I have a coupon code for you guys, just special for my viewers. So yeah, go check this out. It is a huge kit, and I'm so excited to dig into this. And I'm going to start with this one right here. This is part one. Everything always comes packaged so nice, but I love that she uses things on the packaging that you can use in the journal as well. And I'm just going to grab everything out and we'll go through. Okay, it's like, where do we start? Because there are so many fun looking pieces to this kit. Oh my gosh. Okay, I think I'm going to try to get to the fabrics. And let's start here. Wow, this kit is just stuffed. I'm going to flip these over and start with the fabric. So you always, or her kits typically always have a big variety of things that you can use in your junk journals, such as fabric, textiles, laces, trims, things like that. And if you can't tell on camera, like even these pieces alone are plenty to create an entire cover, but since everything's coordinating so well, you can also use everything together. Ooh, this is a really fun one for fall. The texture on this is really cool too. I don't know how to explain it, but it feels almost, I don't even know how to explain it. Satiny? Satiny, something like that. Ooh, this reminds me kind of like Thanksgiving. Ooh, and this one's like a really soft fabric. Yeah, like I said, there's just so many different textures mixed in. These can be fun to make like a patchwork style journal, a collage type journal, or of course you could make just a whole collection of journals using each of these as a cover, because I can guarantee you're going to have enough in this kit to create more than one journal. This one is so up my alley. We have the florals, but then like in the fall colors. I really like this one. And then you have some smaller pieces that you can use for same types of things. And again, they're all coordinating so nice. And then a larger piece of this plaid. You have some smaller pieces that you can use for snippets, tabs, things like that. Ooh, I love that she included, I forgot about these skeleton leaves. These are so much fun to use, so this is perfect to go along with this kit. And then you have some lace here, kind of like a crocheted lace. Let's see what the print looks like on this one. And I love that it's not stark white, it's a very cream color. Goes perfect. Okay, let's just set this to the side since we have so much to dig into. I guess we'll start here. And again, I would use all of these trims as part of your journaling. So it looks like we have some things in here for decorating. Oops. Probably just gonna have to take all these packages off. Ooh, okay. I love some of these things in here. I love that she included some little Velcro dots. I love using these for different pockets and flaps and things like that. These are awesome. And then you get some little vintage stamps inside of a clear adhesive pocket. I use these all the time. These are really fun to decorate and collage on top of. Use on top of like a pretty paper that you don't really want to cover all the way up. You have little tags that coordinate with the colors. So lovely. And it looks like we have some little ephemera pieces for decorating too. Look at this, some very fall plain cards. Love that. Policy envelope, some really fun little note papers, glassine or a craft bag, napkins, all in the fall theme. And then all of these lovely colors. So we can use these for things like pockets, you know, collaging. Ooh, these look very vintage. Index cards. You get some envelopes as well. Okay, let's set this to the side and keep it coming. I'm gonna try to untie these because these would be great to use on the sides of your pages or for just decorating. You can make ruffles out of them as well. Ooh, and the bag, look at this bag. It's an actual fall bag. If I can avoid ruining this, we could use this somehow too. And I am really hoping, guys, to have some crafting videos coming for you guys real soon. I've been showing you so many great kits. Oh, I love these. These are tiny enough that you can use them as like tabs or something like that. But yes, I have been showing you so many kits and I'm really excited and hoping to be crafting with them soon. This is so cute. I am thinking that I will be creating fall journals for the month of September, hopefully. So we have a bunch of different laces and doilies, all kinds of different types here. Ooh, I think I've had this one from her before, maybe. It's so cool. Get some really pretty sheer trims and then some crocheted pieces as well. I love the idea of using little leaves in your fall journals, but I also love this fabric so much. The colors. Okay. Let's see here. Lots of trims in this one. Ooh, this one feels so cool. And then the ropes and things, I mean, you could use these as maybe a closure. I'm not even sure. I would have to get very creative. But the colors are awesome. Love that. Ooh, okay, this is a bag full of teeny little things. Oh my gosh, so many. I'll have to try to keep these ones mostly in the bag, but you have some really pretty trims. Again, everything just coordinates so well. I can't get over that part. So many of these leaves, which I'm excited for because like I was saying, I think these would be great on the edge of some pages. Ooh, I've seen people use things like leaves in like scrappy little like bookmark things that you can put in your journal. I don't even know. I'll have to try to figure out if I can find what I'm talking about. You have a little bag here of some like bulb pins, beads, and things like that. Bells. There's just a bunch of like little bits and pieces in this one. Lots of beads and things like that. Great for tassels. So, whoopsies. And fun little confetti pieces. Okay, you have a whole piece of this like kind of knitting. I'm not going to undo this one. Then over here, ooh, fun, a huge paper clip, and it has a little bow on it, but of course you could just use it like this or use it however you want. This looks like some guest checks. Oh, okay, I love that she starts to decorate these. So some handmade elements to the kit as well, which she always seems to have. And look at this. This is a little sewn envelope already. That is so cute. I'm trying to figure out what she used for this. That is so cute. Okay, it looks like some more handmade items. And I feel like these little touches are so great for a journal kit because you can just put a journal together so quick and easy. She made some like handmade little stamps, and there's a couple on here. These are so cute. Held together with a little paper clip. You get a wax seal that's colored, and it has an adhesive dot on it so you can easily put it on. Like, I love using these like on the flap of an envelope or something like that. And then there are some buttons and more little bits and pieces in here. Let's at least put these ones back in. I don't want to lose those. Okay, I've been eyeing this big piece of wallpaper because I'm curious what the print is. This is so cool. Look at that. I love this little scene. This could be great for covering the inside of your journal pages or something like that. Okay, I think we've got through all of part 1. So I'm going to kind of push this to the side. There's so much, you guys. Okay. Thinking we have some, what is this? Fabric samples or wallpaper samples? I'm not even sure. But this is really cool and different. Okay, yeah. It's like fabrics, I guess. I said I guess. I mean, it is, but yeah, they're like fabric samples. That is so cool. So you get a bunch of these. Like, these could be so much fun to use. Oh my gosh, this green. I hope you can see how cool that looks. Velvety fabric. So yeah, this is so much fun. So many different options in this kit. Okay, then there is another piece of fabric as well, and this is like a quilted fabric. Look at that. Okay, and then we have a big pack of papers here. Like I was saying, you can make several journals with this kit, but you have some vintage sewing patterns and instruction booklets, some book pages, ledger pages, so cool. And then lots of wallpaper pieces as well. Oh my gosh, this one's so pretty. Look at that. I love it. All the different textures. You get more book pages with images. Such a great variety. A lot of times when I get her journal packs, I put these pages into my stash because they're so great to have on hand. And even if I'm making a journal with her kit, I always have leftover. Oh, and I love these big book pages. I've actually made a couple journals using these that I got from her. You get some like scrapbook papers in here. Ooh, that one's so thick. Some like tracing paper. Ooh, you get a piece of like acetate. Do all kinds of fun things with that. And I love these pages. Especially this one. Wow. And then of course you can always use the folder that it comes in. Wow, this is so much. This was such an awesome kit to unbox. Yeah, thank you again, Maddie, for sending this to me so that I could share it with all of my lovely pals. I hope that you guys will go check out her shop. If you're not wanting to do any shopping and you just want some creative inspiration, go check out her YouTube channel. And I hope that you guys are just having the loveliest day, and I'll see you soon. Bye, guys.